Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert a JSON file into a clean Excel spreadsheet using EasyMorph. If you have ever received data as a JSON file and struggle to get it into Excel, so this video is for you. No code, no scripting. So let's get started. So the first step is like to download EasyMorph. EasyMorph is a free desktop application. So to download EasyMorph, go to easymorph.com and it will open their website. And if you hover over on the download button and select download EasyMorph, and if you scroll down a bit, you will see the download button. Just click on the download button and the installation will take place and you'll be ready to open EasyMorph. So I already have it installed on my computer. So let me show you the data file that we are going to use today. So let me open this in Notepad. So as you can see, it's full of curly braces, nested objects and arrays. So we have customer IDs, then personal information nested inside first name, last name, email, phone, and then address information, street, city, state, zip code, and then account details like plan status, sign up date, monthly spend, and lifetime value. So trying to open this directly in Excel would be a mess, but EasyMorph handles it really easily. So let me close this. So let me open EasyMorph. So here is EasyMorph with clean workspace. Now I will simply drag and drop this JSON file into EasyMorph. And just like that, EasyMorph has imported the JSON and structured the data. You can see it pulled out all the fields into columns. But notice, because the JSON has nested orders for each customer, some customers appears multiple times. So we need to clean this up. So first let me remove the columns that we don't need. So for that, I will add an action called keep or remove columns and select remove columns. I'm going to delete these columns. This exported it and the total customers, source, version, or the all these columns has the same value in every row. So I'm going to delete those columns and click apply, and that's it. It deleted the columns. Now let me also remove the columns that we don't need, like the order related columns. So I will also remove all these columns by adding an action called keep or remove columns and remove selected columns, and I will delete order ID, date, product, quantity, and amount, and click apply, and that's it. It deleted the columns. So now let me fix these duplicate rows. So I will add an action called deduplicate rows, and I will select apply to selected columns and select only customer ID. So this keeps only one row per customer. And now we have exactly 30 rows, one for each customer. No more duplicates. So let me rename the columns to make them more readable. Instead of first underscore name, last underscore name, customer underscore ID, to first name, last name, customer ID. So to rename the columns, I will add an action called rename columns and click apply. And now if you see, the column names are much cleaner compared to before. And now let me sort this by last name so it is nicely organized. For that, I will click on this last name and then select sort by ascending. And now look at this. So we started with a messy JSON file full of nested objects and arrays. And now we have a clean flat table. 30 customers with their first name, last name, customer ID, email, phone number, street, city, state, zip code. And this is ready for Excel. So now let me export this into Excel by adding an action called export into Excel file. So I will select my output folder and then name this file as JSON underscore 2 underscore Excel and save it and apply it. Now let me run the full workflow by clicking on this run all actions, and that's it. It's done. Now let me open the file, and here it is. All 30 customers from our JSON file now in a clean spreadsheet with names, email, phone numbers, street, city, plans, everything organized in proper columns, and it's ready to use. And you can reuse this workflow anytime. If you get a new JSON file with the same structure, just point EasyMorph to the new file and run it again. So that's how you convert JSON files to Excel using EasyMorph. And that's it. Thank you for watching.